In this video, I'll guide you through how to verify your Agoda account so you can start booking smoothly and securely. Verifying your account is a quick process, but it's an important step to make sure your email address is correct and that you can receive booking confirmations, updates, and support messages without any issues. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, start by opening the email inbox for the address you used when you registered your Agoda account. This is the same email you entered during sign up. Make sure you're logged into the right inbox, especially if you have more than one email address. If you're using a phone, you can open your preferred mail app. On a computer, you can use a web browser and go to your email provider's website. Once you're in your inbox, the next thing to do is look for the verification email from Agoda. Shortly after registering, Agoda sends an email to confirm that the address you entered really belongs to you. This message will usually appear near the top of your inbox, especially if you've just created your account. If you don't see it right away, try using the search bar inside your email and type in Agoda or verify your account. Also, make sure to check other folders like spam, junk, promotions, or updates because automated emails sometimes land there by mistake. If you find it in one of those folders, you may want to mark it as not spam, so future Agoda emails go directly to your main inbox. When you've located the verification email, go ahead and open it. Inside, you'll see a message from Agoda explaining that you need to confirm your email to complete your account setup. Within that email, look for a button or a link that clearly says something like verify or verify your email. In many cases, it will be a prominent link you can click or tap. Clicking that verify link is what connects your email address to your Agoda account. When you click it, your browser will open a new tab or window taking you to Agoda's site. If you're not already signed in, you might be asked to log in first with the same email and password you used during registration. After that, the verification will continue automatically. Some versions of the verification email may include a code instead of or in addition to a direct link. If you see a verification code, carefully copy it, then go to the Agoda website or app and look for an option to enter your verification code. Paste or type the code exactly as shown in the email, making sure there are no extra spaces before or after it, and then confirm. Once you've successfully clicked the verification link or entered the code, your Agoda account is now verified. You may see a confirmation message on the screen letting you know that the process is complete. From this point on, your email address is officially linked to your account, so you can receive booking details, important notices, and support responses reliably. That's all there is to it. By opening your registration email, finding the message from Agoda, clicking the verify link, or using the verification code, you've fully activated your account and are ready to use Agoda with confidence.